Alright guys, I'm going to try and do a quick unboxing of the DF54 Grinder I purchased. I got it from a shop in Hong Kong called Coffee and Tales, ordered online, but if I'm not mistaken, it's basically a no-name brand in China. Well, not no-name, but like, they make the DF54 and 64, and they just sell them to other resellers across the world, who then in turn sell them. So like, I think a popular one in either the UK or US is Turin, but Turin is not the company that actually makes these guys. Something like that, anyway. So I'm gonna try a very quick, basic unboxing to show you guys what is inside. It's really top heavy, assuming that this is the top. For all I know, they packaged it upside down or something. So we got the manual here. Oh, it's actually just an A4 sheet. And then this guy. All right. Let me try and take it out. So if maybe this is the bottom, and the reason they did it is so you flip it around, and then that way it's not gonna fall. Cool. All right, let's. Oh, it's tight from the bottom. Okay. Big reveal. Oh shit, that is the top. Okay. Maybe I should make it horizontal. All right. So we've got the cup thingy, which is, I think, meant for, I think it's 58 mm. So if you have 58 mm portafilter, it's pretty useful. Power cord. I live in Hong Kong, so it's the Hong Kong flavor. And then, what is the, oh, this is the rubber thingy for the bellows. And then the actual, oh, it's tiny, holy shit. I thought it would be way bigger, but that's really fucking small. I don't know what I should have for comparison, like my iPod next to it. You can see how small it is. Let me see if I can fix the orientation. Yeah. Let me try and get it out as well, if I can. Oh, it's heavy. Okay. I guess that's the... Oh, fuck, it's really heavy. I have a modded KG521 that I'll show you guys later, which is way lighter than this guy. All right. So, freshly opened. Is that it? I don't know if that's how it's supposed to look. I can't see anything. Oh, okay, I can put my finger inside though. So there's something hidden in there probably. I guess the blades are hidden out of sight. Oh, it's pretty hard to turn. I don't know how to describe how much force I'm putting into it. But I guess it's really... It gets easier the further down you go, if that makes sense. And then this little indicator thingy there. This guy doesn't turn, of course. And so this thing, I don't know if you guys can tell from the lighting, that is rubber. And then this part is plastic. But that, I think that part is metal. So you've got a bit of rubber to make it easy for it to, I guess, you put your portafilter on there. Single dose, of course. And yeah, let's try opening some of these accessories and then mounting it onto this guy. Does this come out? Oh, okay, so this guy comes out, and then if that comes out, the plastic just kind of goes in like that. The dosing cup is the right term, I think. That further back, okay. And then this guy, the bellows, as I've heard it mostly called online. I guess that's real wood. I'm not sure. So I think you put this on top, basically, like that. And then you were to squeeze it. And then as you press it, the leftover grounds will come out of here. All right. Seems pretty... I can't get over how small it is. It's really tiny. I'll compare it next to my 521 in just a little bit. But yeah, that's the unboxing experience. Pretty minimal. Cool. All right, guys. So just a really a quick size comparison next to my KG521, which is this guy. The cover's missing. It's probably somewhere inside. But you can see how much tinier it is. The hopper, I guess, takes a lot of space. But even without that from the side profile, this guy comes out way in front compared to this, which just has a little bit coming out here. And this has a large place where you can put a whole container in. And honestly, I've never used more than a single dose in this. I don't know how people can put like a whole sack of beans in there or whatever. Yeah, it's much tinier, but way heavier. Yeah, okay, we'll do the grind size or grinding comparison next.